Hey guys, DIY Brie here. I post DIY videos, home decor, thrifting, all that kind of thing. Be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, please. And we'll get into the video. So today I'm taking you guys with me to IKEA. We don't have one locally where I live, and so on a recent trip we had time to stop. That was kind of the halfway point, so it was actually really nice to break up our drive a little bit and get the kids out of the car for a couple hours. They love to eat at the IKEA, so they got to hang out with their dad while I took my camera and went shopping. I'd love to show you the things that I saw and the products I bought, so please join me on my adventure.
Welcome to the house where hopes might as well be worthless. All my time around still feels like our time belong here. Welcome to the place where hearts will break slowly. You can't run away, they'll air out your dirty little trick. And I'm so tired of hiding, I'm feeling broken. Wish that someday this house won't feel like it's haunted. Cause I don't wanna hide that I'm feeling broken. No, I don't wanna hide that I'm feeling broken. And if you let me down, go slowly. Too many times I've said I'm sorry. You will never see me cry like this. Hope that we'll both know what it's best left unsaid. And I said that I'm tired and done with the shit you put to run me over. You will never see me cry again. Moments that we live will never come again. Feeling crazy, feeling lonely, though surrounded I feel cold. And now I'll go into my phone to get out of my head. I'm down by all the words you said to me. Are you my friend or enemy? I don't believe this shit's for me, so let me get away from here. And I'm so tired of hiding, I'm feeling broken. Wish that someday this house won't feel like it's haunted. Cause I don't wanna hide that I'm feeling broken. No, I don't wanna hide no more. And if you let me down, go slowly. Too many times I've said I'm sorry. You will never something's different, but deep inside you know we're still the same. We're lonely, broken, we're lonely and broken. We're lonely, broken, we're lonely and broken. We're lonely, broken, we're lonely and broken. And if you let me down, go slowly. Too many times I've said I'm sorry. You will never see me cry like this. Hope that we'll both know what is best left unsaid. And I've said that I'm tired and done with the shit you pulled to run me over. You will never see me cry again. Moments that really will never come again. Sit on my place and stay. One more day.
One thing I noticed was the extensive pegboard options, totally customizable. They have different hooks, shelves, clips, little bungee cords where you can like slide your mail in or something. Lots of different options out there to help you organize, which is really nice to have. I was really loving the containers I was seeing, the clear and the solid, and I love that there's so many different applications for this type of thing. In the office, in the garage, as a command center, in the kitchen or by the front door. Kids can use it, adults can use it. So I was really loving their pegboard options. I can't talk IKEA without talking about baskets. They have so many gorgeous woven products. I loved the Smara line. They had lots of really beautiful pieces, lots of variety of sizes, and they were all very natural yet structured. They had baskets with lids, lots of really cute things. But yeah, they have such a selection. From my experience, they're all very good quality. All right, I gotta talk about lighting too. When we talk about IKEA, of course, I think it's a great source for affordable yet aesthetic looking lighting. They've got wonderful pendant options, and I've been so impressed with the variety of styles they have now. It's not all super streamlined, clean Scandinavian. They have like boho stuff and more modern stuff, and even some kind of traditional design as well. And you can see that a lot in their lighting options. And then their big woven basket looking light shades are just to die for. Unfortunately, they're so big that they're not going to work in the small space that I have. We've got low ceilings everywhere here. So beautiful and affordable. I also love their kitchenware. The first set, well, we still have it, of dishware that we got was from IKEA, the basic white. They have some really cool different things now. Again, different styles, which is really cool. More simple and then more traditional, ornate looking stuff too. Oh, and then when I think IKEA, I think all things plants as well. Mostly I love to look at their faux options. Everything seems to be a good quality and it looks realistic. And they have all sorts of different pots and planters and saucers. Oh, this thing that I saw would be so perfect for a harvest basket. I'm actually kicking myself. I don't know why I didn't buy it. I should have bought it. But it's just so cute, and then it's got the holes so you can throw your vegetables in it and then just hose them off in the basket. So cute. Love a harvest basket. And then they've got some real options, which are fun too. They've got some cool, pretty tall, substantial plants that you can purchase there, but a lot of cute little faux things. So alright, I'm gonna end the video here. It was getting a little too long, but watch out for part 2 where I do the haul and show you everything that I bought. Bye guys.